Hello everyone. In our previous class, we have discussed about the many topics regarding the many different issues. We have discussed about the surface of the earth and the structure of the earth, and before that, we have discussed some important historical topics. Today, we shall move on to the another new topic for the grade 5th, which is very important and which is our routine. What we are going to express or what we are going to feel every day, where we are there and what we are going to get every day. Changes in the weather, changes in a day and night, changes in a climatical condition, changes in a season, all these togetherly called as weather and climate. We should start a new topic for the grade 5th, that is weather and climate. My dear students, I think you are very familiar with these two words. You are very familiar with the two words, that is weather and climate. Why? Because daily we are going to face it. We are living with the weather and we are living with the climate, and we are very adjustable for the changes in the weather and climate. Why? Because our routine is set. Whenever we feel cloudy or whenever we feel rainy, we used to carry umbrellas. Whenever we feel very cold, we used to wear the jerkins or sweaters and something. Whenever it is very hot, we used to wear the cotton cloths. These are all our routine. We have set our lifestyle with the weather and climate. See, my dear students, weather and climate, atmosphere. When we are going to discuss about the weather and climate, we should go through a very important topic, that is atmosphere. See, in our previous lesson itself, we have discussed about the parts of the earth. Structure of the earth, the internal structure of the earth. We have discussed about the core, mantle and many other things when we discussed about the structure of the earth. The matters or topics which we have discussed in our previous classes are the internal structure of the earth. Those are the structures which are located or which are present inside the earth. Today, the atmosphere is also kind of a structure. Atmosphere is also kind of a part of earth which present outside the earth, which covers the earth entirely. The term atmosphere can be defined as a layer which is covered around the earth. What it contains? It contains air, it contains a cloudy nature and everything what we are going to feel every day. The term atmosphere can be defined as a thin layer which is covered around the earth. The atmosphere can be defined as a thin layer which is covered around the earth. Such kind of layer is known as atmosphere. Atmosphere plays a very important role in the changing of weather and changing of climate. My dear students, I said you before that weather means the regular changes. The weather is changing according to the conditions. Weather is changing at minute to minute or day to day or time to time. See, at the morning 6 or 5, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, we are going to see sun in the east direction. At that time, we are going to feel a hot which is little less when compared to the heat or hot which we are facing at 12 o'clock and a duration between 12 to 3. And the weather or hot or heat which we are going to face after 3:30 or 4 o'clock, it is very different from the heat which we are faced at the 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, and it is completely different from the heat which we have faced at the middle of the day, 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. How it is changed? It is changed because of a movement of a earth and movement of a sun. Because of rotation and revolution, we are going to see all these changes. The changing of a climatical condition, the changing of a hot, changing of a cool, the changing of a natural phenomena which are going to take place around the atmosphere or inside the atmosphere is called as weather. Atmosphere plays a very important role. Why? Because atmosphere is a thin layer which is covered around the earth. It plays a very important role in the changing of weather and climate. When we are going to discuss about the weather is a rapid change or a frequent change or a regular change, a regular changing pattern which is going to take place daily. See, on the months of April, May, June, we are going to face face a very hot summer. On the month of December and January, we are going to face a very cool temperature. So the northern hemisphere and southern, the climate of a northern hemisphere and the climate of a southern hemisphere is completely vice versa. When we are going to face a hot summer, I mean April, June, July, at that the another part of Earth is going to face a very cold temperature. When we are going to face a very cold temperature at November, December and January month, they are going to face a very hot temperature. The radical completely vice versa changes taking place just because of a phenomenon of rotation and revolution. It comes under the atmosphere. So in the same case, atmosphere plays a very important role, because changing of a weather, changing of a climate, changing of a sun and moon is depends on the weather. I mean the process of changing is called as weather. See, this is about the very important topics or very important characteristics regarding the atmosphere and weather, and the changes, I mean the changes of a day and night, the changes of winter and summer and the monsoon, the climatical conditions. If we are going to see a very hot at 10 o'clock, at 11 o'clock it is little different. So this is a process or a phenomenon called as changes in the weather. In the same we are going to discuss about the climate. I mean the climate is a part of weather which differs from place to place. I mean the climate in Kottur is very different from the climate in Ballari. The climate in Ballari is very different from the climate of Shivamogga. Why? Because the latitudes and latitudes which are passed on those surfaces, because the movement of Earth itself plays a very important role in the process of changing of a climate. See, when we are going to see a very hot climate in Ballari, when we move on to the Shivamogga, we are going to get a very cool climate. And when we are going to move near the coastal regions, I mean Udupi, Malpe, Mangalore and some other places, we are going to face a very humid nature there. The climate is different from place to place. I mean whenever we are going to move across the surface of the earth, we are going to feel a different climates around the earth. I mean the climate is very different from place to place. The climate of Ballari is very different, the climate of Bangalore is very different, the climate of Tumkur is very different. This is about the climate. I mean the climate is a regular pattern of changing. I mean the atmosphere and latitudes and longitudes which passes through those areas are a reason for the changing of a climate. And even the natural resources, even the forest and even some other important aspects also depends. Why? Because why I am going to say this is, the places which are very near to coastal plains or oceans or seas, they are always humid in their nature. But the places which are very near to Western Ghats and the places which are going to have a very dense forest, they are going to be very cool. The places which are going to have a very high mountain ranges, they are going to get a huge rainfall and they are very cool in nature. In some summer areas, in summer time, they are little hot when compared to the places of a forest area. And in the same way, when we are going to have a very dry land, I mean our land, I mean Ballari, Raichur, Koppal and many districts what we are saying and what we are living, these are the very bare land and a dry land. We are going to face a very hot temperature and very less rainfall and a little cool we are facing in the time of January, December and all those things. This is all about the topic, that is weather and climate, atmosphere, weather and climate. In our next class, we shall discuss in detail about this topic. This is just an introduction class for the weather and climate. In the next class, we shall discuss about the changes in climate, changes in the weather and difference in the temperature, about the rainy season, about the summer season, about the winter season, and we shall discuss about the factors which influence on the weathers. I mean the major factors which influence on the weather and climate are latitudes and longitudes. I think you have discussed all these things in your previous class, I mean 4th standard itself. The latitudes and longitudes itself influence on the changes of weather and climate on the surface of the earth. They plays a major role in the changing of weather and climate. In our next class, we shall discuss about the elements of weather and climate, we shall discuss about the factors which are affecting on the weather and climate, and we shall discuss some more important points regarding the weather, climate and atmosphere, and many different seasons which we are going to face in our daily life. Thank you one and all.